Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy to have you here. It's Keisha Paris. If you're new, welcome aboard. We are happy that you decided to click on our video and hope you will enjoy and decide to become a part of Bella Lala Naturals YouTube family as well by subscribing. In our previous video, I showed how to use sage and some other healing, relaxing, and purifying ingredients in a traditional bath used by my mother and ancestors from growing up on my home island in the Grenadines. In this video, you will see how you can also use sage to shine your floors and spiritually smudge or smoke out your home, bringing purification or cleansing, relaxation, and overall good energy, that good vibes energy, right? Additionally, you will see how you can use frankincense, myrrh, incense, well, some incense, not all, some essential and fragrance oils to bring that awesome energy as well, right? So let's bring that good vibes energy and smudge right into this video. First, you are going to get your oil burners prepped with some of your favorite essential and fragrance oils, along with using myrrh and frankincense raisins or rocks. I like saying rocks because it makes it easier. Speaking of easier, to make things easy for you because I love you. Here on your screen, you can get a better visual of the names of the oils being used. And since that we've got nutmeg in the house, and I am a diaspora from Grenada living in New York, it only makes sense to show our national flag displaying a nutmeg, which is one of our main spices from the Isle of Spice, where Grenada, which also celebrated Independence Day on February 7, 2025. Woohoo! Okay, she's done letting you know about her spice aisle and is showing what you are going to do next. You are going to set up your oil burners like so with some frankincense and myrrh rocks. Place a tea-light candle under each. Then you pour a few drops of each oils mentioned previously. Keep in mind that you don't necessarily have to use all of these oils. Use what you've got, but I'll definitely recommend using the citronella and nutmeg since that they also helps in preventing insects around your home. Then add your oils of your choice. Any of the ones that I mentioned before that you already have, use that, or whatever you have in your home. Next step, you want to begin your wonderful purifying cleansing solution by bringing about 2 to 3 cups of sage in a large pot of water to a boil. After it's finished boiling, you want to let the solution sit in the pot to warm down a bit, and then take a strainer and pour, of course using your mittens, hold the pot, take the strainer and pour the solution inside of the mop bucket. The leaves, the sage leaves, you can just empty that in your garden. Nothing goes to waste. Empty it in your garden as compost for growing your beautiful plants and flowers. Then you add some dish soap, any of your choice. And then after that, you're going to add some warm water to your solution to bring it like so, as you're seeing there. You want to also use a mop specifically for doing this job because obviously the water is dark and the mop is going to be dark as well. Then you want to use a gloves, obviously, as you know, to mop. Here I am mopping my bedroom. I think it's best to begin mopping from your bedrooms and work your way out to your living room, which most likely is your entrance and exit. If you have a larger home, you may want to prepare a larger pot of the solution so you can empty the bucket to add some more of the solution to begin on another floor, etc. Here I am done mopping the living room. This is the living room, as you can see, and I wanted to show how shiny and beautiful the floor looks. Absolutely amazing. I recommend cleansing your floors with this sage liquid along with every other steps used in this video as the seasons change from winter, spring, summer, fall, or autumn, or every 4 months depending, because we have to take into consideration the country in which you live. And of course, you can definitely use this spiritual cleanse anytime you want to give you, family, and home that awesome vibrational feeling. As you may have seen in our cleaning videos here on our channel, I also love using vinegar to clean and shine our floors like so. Bedazzle, shiny, shimmery glitter. I know your eyes would say it's a filter, but this is how shiny it gets, okay? I also use it to clean our mirrors, walls, and other decor items, etc. That is the vinegar. So you can definitely use some of the sage liquid in a container, add some water and dish soap to clean other areas in your home. Well, except for the mirrors, because I haven't tried it on there as yet to give you feedbacks. This curtain twinkle lights brings another level of warmth and calm to your home, and it definitely exemplifies how clean the floor is, giving that lights of a waterfall effect flowing through your floors. In our notes down below this video, you will see where I purchased it and many of the other items used in this video. And no worries, I got you covered. If you are not a fan of using this natural sage liquid on your walls, kitchen countertops, and bathrooms, etc. for cleaning, this multi-purpose cleaner here that has sage in it might be a great option for you. I sometimes use it as well as my sage and vinegar liquid solutions. I remembered when it used to be $2.99, as you can see there. The prices of things are rising rapidly. So to be more economical, many of us may want to start investing the time to create our DIY homemade recipes. Next step is the smudging or smoking process of sage. This is an incense burner, but I use it to burn my sage. These are dry DIY sage, which you'll see in a bit. This here is white prairie sage, which I'll combine with my DIY dry sage along with the other herbs that you will be seeing here. This herb is rosemary. These are packets of different scents of incense that I purchased. I'll be placing 4 of it inside of this wooden incense burner. These are the larger leaves eucalyptus, and these are the smaller leaves ones. When I purchase fresh eucalyptus and flowers, most of the time at Trader Joe's, and I get some good use out of them, I do not throw them out. I will clean them, put them out to dry, then I could use them for this purpose. This bundle here is the sage that you saw wrapped up earlier, and these are citronella. So I had purchased the plant died, so I decided to clean it, put it out to dry, and we've got this. And this here is cilantro. As you may know, I love making green seasoning, so once the cilantro and the rosemary, those types of herbs, I have excess of it, I will put them out to dry, and I have it for this purpose. And you can use a lighter or matches to get the job done. From online research, here is where the practice of smudging with sage originated from. An important tip is to remove all of your fire alarm's batteries before smoking your home, then put them back when you are done. These 4 incense I'll be placing in the burner in the 4 corners like so. You see that 4 little holes there? But I will talk about the scents that I use in a bit. Let's focus on burning the sage and other herbs in this guy right there. I started this practice of smoking our home with sage about 10 years ago. I did our first video of this practice a few years ago, so let's say that this video is an updated one. I'll be sure to add our first video in the description box down below. After you get your smudging herbs emitting like this, you are going to want to cover it, then begin walking in each room of your home to smudge it out while also praying, giving thanks to God, asking for protection, peace, prosperity, love, good health, joy, removal of negativity, etc., or anything that may be going on in your personal life to gain clarity and peace. It's smoking wonderfully, so now you get to walk around your home and smudge it out. You can also walk around your house at the outside and smudge it as well. The more the merrier, right? If you don't want to use the process that I did with the incense burner, you can definitely take the bundle of sage and do like so as she's doing there. Also, you want to open up doors and windows in your home while you do this process as well. If during the process the herbs stop emitting smoke, you light what's left and continue. From online research, here are some benefits of smudging with sage, but I definitely recommend that you do your own research to dive deeper into more helpful and amazing benefits of sage for your health, skin, hair, and home, etc. These are the fragrance of incense that I'll be using. Let's also remember to place items being used high up so your children and pets are protected. The sage burner you can hang high up so it can finish burning while you are moving on to other steps. However, if they are not, please monitor. The main reasons for leaving some of your doors and windows open also helps to let the negative energies in your home out and prevent you, your family, and pets from inhaling more smoke than expected. Then, after you finish smudging, add in your refreshing scents of incense, essential, and fragrance oils helps to bring a more mesmerizing and wonderful aroma to your home. Your neighbors would want to know what you're using. You want to place your fragrance burners at different locations in your home to allow the aroma to captivate every area. In that basket there you are viewing, I also DIY our own room fragrancer, which you will see a quick tutorial of how you can make it in a bit. And as you can see, I left our front door open, and I like leaving the top part of our window open, as you can see through the curtain there. After we moved into that apartment, I realized the front entrance area had a weird smell, so this is how I got the idea of the room fragrancer in the basket. Months later, we found out from HPD that mold is in the wall, so I closed off the doors and we started using the side entrance. And of course, my Bella Lala has to get the aroma in her bedroom as well. Not forgetting moi. To make your own room or smaller space fragrancer, as I like to call it, cut the top zipper off from a zipper bag, place it in the basket, add some regular or scented Epsom salt, then put some of your DIY dry sage and eucalyptus leaves, beautify it with your DIY dry pink flowers, add some nutmeg shells, frankincense, and more rocks. Then sprinkle some of your favorite fragrance oils and give a mix. As I'm viewing this video, and I'm sure some of you may have recognized this street fine 3-stand piece of furniture that I flipped and uploaded it here on our channel months ago, I decided to add the finished looks to this video as well because I thought you can benefit from another economical way to bless your home. And of course, as one of the benefits of using sage is to cleanse any secondhand objects used in your home. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoy this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on our next upload. Bye.